YouTube? It's Shani Monet, and we are you laughing?
He's out here.
I start every video like this.
Do your thing.
Okay. What's up, YouTube? It's Shani Monet, and we are back again with another YouTube video. I said YouTube first 2 times. All right, you gotta do it again. See, it requires a lot of bloopers, a lot of editing. What's up, YouTube? It's Shani Monet, and we are back again with another video. Today is a special day. We are going to Gordon Ramsay Burger restaurant in Chicago. I'm excited to try this restaurant. I personally think that he's the best chef in the world. So we're going to try his food today, see how it tastes. I'm going to do an honest review on it. So stay tuned. Click the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and let's get to it. Coming along with me is my best friend, Ken. He really wanted to try Gordon Ramsay's food as well. Ken, tell him how much you love Gordon Ramsay.
Oh my God, you won't believe it. I traveled all over the world for this. So
he's not too thrilled about Gordon Ramsay, but I am. So we're gonna go ahead. It's actually a long way. It's Saturday. What time is it? Like 6:30 p.m.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, he made reservations at like 5:47 p.m. and they said we have an hour and 45 minutes to wait. So far when it comes to timing, it seems like there is a long wait, but we are definitely at the hot spot of when it's time to eat. So I guess we'll give that part a pass, but we're going to just walk around Chicago for about an hour and 45 minutes and we'll get right back to it. Be sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's a new channel. Ken, tell him what's your channel.
All right, so my channel is Curious Thought. It's with a K. Curious with a K. If you can't spell, I can't help you. But Curious Thought. And yeah, that's it.
What's your social media?
Curious Thought.
Alright guys, so when we turned the corner, I was getting so excited because I knew that the Gordon Ramsay restaurant was right there at the corner of the street. So I'm pretty much excited at this point. It's in a really nice location in Chicago. It's up north considerably, so it was a really nice area. As you can see, Chicago is really beautiful, but now we are getting much closer to the Gordon Ramsay restaurant. It's right there. I thought it was this real big hotel looking spot right here, but it's that right there, yeah. But it's really right here on the corner. It says Gordon Ramsay Burger. So it's just that corner area. Now I'm walking super close into the building. I am excited. Let's go in here and see what is all the hype. Alright guys, so I know what you're thinking. How are you going to film a restaurant review and be scared to actually film it? But as soon as I walked in, it's like everyone is right there in your face. So it's like I didn't kind of want to have my camera in everyone's face. So I'm sorry. I'm trying to get as many angles of the restaurant as possible without being awkward and having my camera in everyone's face. But as you can see, as soon as you walk in, it's a really beautiful view, but it's really tight. So everyone who's waiting on their seats are pretty much really close to each other. Alright restaurant ordered the Hell's Kitchen Burger. I'm glad he did that because I'm too scary to try it. It seems pretty spicy. So we'll see how that tastes. And then we have the truffle fries. I really wanted the Life to Beach drink. It's a non-alcoholic drink, but they said they ran out of it, unfortunately. So I did the... You have the drink with you still? Okay, it's right here. I did the Stranger in a Strange Land. So that was this one right here. I wanted that one, the Life to Beach, but I did this one. Okay, these might be the best wings I ever had. I really like the wings. They kind of have like a hint of a sweet flavor, but it still have like a spice to it. The blue cheese is really nice. It has a very nice decoration to it, nice garnish on it. I'm not a food critic or a food reviewer, so I'm not giving the most professional review, but I think it's really amazing. These are the best wings I ever had. I'm gonna let my friend try it, see what he thinks. You wanna try the wings? Alright, so this is the Stranger in a Strange Land. It has elderberry in it. I have a lot of these, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Burn a little bit. Okay, it's a really good drink. I feel like the lime, I think it's lime in it because I taste a very strong lime in it. So that kind of like threw me off at first. I was kind of like, but no, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's a good drink. I really want to see what that Life on a Beach tastes like. But then again, they're sold out, so I can't try that today. But I feel like this will do. Okay guys, so our burgers have arrived. I have the backyard burger. And Ken has the Hell's Kitchen Burger. I'm trying to get the angle. And then we have the truffle fries with nice different sauces. That's ketchup. Truffle sauce. You got it? Alright guys, so first we're going to try the truffle fries. I think this is the truffle sauce a little bit. Okay. So Am I supposed to cut it? Okay. Because Ken says it's really good. He really likes the ketchup. That is the most unique ketchup I've ever tasted. It's pretty good. I don't know what sauce I like more because the ketchup is so unique and really good, but the truffle sauce is pretty good as well. All right. Let's see how Ken likes the Hell's Kitchen burger. Is it good? Okay, what's the review? Okay, well first let's clearly finish the burger. He murdered the burger. He turned it upside down, took all the avocados out, and murdered the burger.
Alright, so basically, right, initially, I was like, it's alright, you know, I wasn't really tasting the flavors, but after eating it, you know, taking a couple bites from what I can see, it's pretty good, it's pretty good. Though, these avocados tasty, man, like, you know, cut it up, mash it up, put it on there, spreading it on, it's a lot. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good.
Alright guys, so here's my honest review. Is it the best burger I ever had? I would definitely put it in my top 5. The burger was very delicious. I asked for it medium well done, and that's exactly how it was. The buns were actually very flavorful, and I felt like the portion was perfect. It looks like a small burger, but it's definitely left me satisfied, especially when you pair it with an order of fries, which we'll get into next. The truffle fries were probably the best fries I ever had in my life. I felt like they were seasoned and garnished perfectly, but it's honestly the sauces that help the truffle fries stand out. I actually just learned that the ketchup is made daily in the house, which explains that delicious, unique flavor. I honestly think the truffle fries was my favorite part of the whole experience. And of course, at the end, I had to see what the bathroom looked like. Overall, it was really clean, real sleek and modern. Alright guys, so that was my review of the Gordon Ramsay Burger Restaurant in Chicago. I may be completely biased because I am a Gordon Ramsay fan, but trust me, if I was disappointed by the experience in any way, it would definitely show. I think the location he selected was perfect because the particular area of Chicago was lacking a great burger spot. So I think that's why he decided to go that route instead of fine dining. I'd highly suggest you come to Chicago to check it out, or at least experience a Gordon Ramsay restaurant as a bucket list checkoff. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe with push notifications turned on to see more unique content. Let me know in the comments what restaurant you would like for me to review next.